Siyavusela Masadla Mahle, lokhuluma ngoNkhulile Twala Times of Eswatini reporter. I'm reporting live from the Ministry of Agriculture, where the Minister of Agriculture, Mandla Chauke, is expected to give us updates on the FMD disease, which has broken out in the Shiseleni and Lubombo regions. We're expecting news on the vaccines that are expected to be delivered soon.
Sicela kuthatha lethuba sivusele kulaba hambisa indzaba even laba khona emkhathini wethu namuhla bese sivusela sive sonke salomuthe sizathu lesikhulu sokuthi namuhla sibe la kunokuthi sifuna kuniketa i-feedback noma update ngokuthi imbi lesilwa nayo FMD sesikuphi nayo. Siyajabula ke siyabonga ukuthi singakaqhubeki nje kakhulu. Ngiyacela kuveta lijaha lela ecele kwami lelingithonolo phebe leliqhamuka eBotswana Vaccines Institute. Lesingathi cishe lokukushambakanya nje ukuthi vele indlela yokulala lesifo kujova nokuthi bese sivimba tilwane nenyama tingahambi. Bakucizelele ke lokuthi kujova kodwana ngeke kusicetse lesifo. Noma singalijova live lonke njengoba sitawenda nje. Kodwa nangabe letilwane solo tiyahamba nalenyama solo iyahamba njengoba ihamba abantu sibabamba wonke lamalanga. Sibamuke vele ngeke sisincobe lesifo. Kungakho ke siyacela esiveni ukuthi asibambisane kulama controls nalama restrictions la khona ngoba le combination yalama restrictions nalokujova letawenda ukuthi sincobe bakha ama vaccines atawumatcha le virus lesihlasela. Kungakho nje bathanza lokuthi bedela ngoba abafuni lokuthi bakhe ama vaccines letasinasiwasebenzisa angasebenzi. Kungakho lokuthi kumcoka ukuthi sathi exactly ukuthi le virus lesihlasele kuleso sikhathi uyipi. Si odile imithi yaloko lokunye esikhulumisana ngako nalaba baseBotswana ukuthi singenda kanjani ukuthi leyo mithi isheshe ifike sokhona kucala kujova FN.
Njengoba senvile Masadla Mahle, the Ministry of Agriculture has given us an update on what is happening with the FMD disease in the country. He has told us that the Botswana Institute for Vaccine is in the country to conduct research on Lama strains that have been affecting the country, which is SAT1 and SAT2. More information on the FMD updates will be in the Times of Eswatini publication tomorrow. Stay tuned.